Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something both clever and cultural. Tutorial coin, ticker TUT. It's one of the most unique meme tokens on the rise, and it's capturing attention not just for its meme appeal, but also its educational angle. So what's happening right now? TUT is currently trading at around $0.0745, after surging about 21% in the last 24 hours. That spike pushed its 24-hour trading volume to over $36 million, significantly higher than it's been in recent days. It places TUT around rank number 500 on CoinMarketCap, with a market cap of approximately $62 million, based on a circulating supply of roughly 838 million tokens and a max supply capped at 1 billion. So, what's fueling this sudden momentum? Here's the twist. TUT isn't just chasing hype. It's said to be a meme coin with an educational twist, born from a developer who wrote a token launch tutorial nearly a year ago. The experience evolved into its own crypto project, aimed at promoting learning about blockchain and building skills for new users. That concept sets it apart in the meme coin world, giving it an element of purpose beyond the meme. That educational angle is especially appealing right now as more people seek crypto exposure, but still want a safe, learning-oriented environment. TUT has been getting nods in lists of meme coins with potential long-term value, highlighted for providing both humor and educational content. Now, with growing engagement and volume, where could TUT be headed next? Short-term, it just broke above resistance, so it could test $0.085 to 10 cents if momentum sustains. Mid-term, traders are eyeing levels around 15 cents to 20 cents, especially if exchange availability and community-driven content keep climbing. Long-term, in bull run scenarios, if TUT nails its educational mission and gains traction, some speculation sees possibilities beyond 30 cents. As always, long-term predictions are optimistic and speculative, but the strong short-term performance may build a base for sustained growth. That brings us to the big question. Is tutorial coin safe for investment? Safety is relative. TUT is still a meme coin, and that means volatility and risk. However, it offers a rare advantage. It's actively trying to teach its audience through tutorials and resources. That gives it slightly more substance than meme coins without any context. If you're entering the crypto world or enjoy projects that blend learning with laughs, TUT might be worth a closer look, especially on dips. But if you're only after stability, stick to established blue chips like BTC or ETH. So to sum up, tutorial coin, TUT, is on the move, up 21% today, pulling major volume, and standing out with its educational flair. It's more than just a meme. It's a learning tool in token form. Short-term prospects look interesting. Long-term depends on traction and utility. What do you think? Is TUT the meme coin that actually teaches? Can it break into the top 400 by market cap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative crypto breakdowns.